Hello guys, welcome back to my Okay guys, today I will be showing you my monster truck fitment. Ooh, yeah, look at that gap, baby. 3-finger fitment, baby. Onto the rear. Oh, 3-finger.
What happened, man?
He fucked it, bro.
Let me see.
Fucked it.
Hey, can you shine some light on that? So, with Volkswagen,
No,
I don't know if
it's
you
not
guys
Volkswagen, bro.
can see. Wait, let me see this pattern. I snapped that. I just wrecked the actual socket. But no, that's it. It's because they tightened it too much.
Yeah, fucking dumb.
I have to buy this guy a new one.
Won't ever let us do my fucking springs, bro.
It will, bro.
This car wouldn't let us. Always some shit going on, bro.
I'm sorry, man. I'll get you a new one.
Ooh, that fitment though. 1 finger.
Hey guys, how you doing today? Hope you guys all are having a good day, wonderful day, night, whatever time you guys are watching this. So today I am going to install my side skirts. Over here. It's just been sitting here waiting for me to install. I've done the other side, but now I've got to do this side. So there's going to be a lot of drilling to do. Don't mind the garage, it's a bit stuff still everywhere, but yeah, just gotta unloose the bolts first, jack up the car and take the wheels off. By the way, I finally got a drill, just thought I'd show you guys. And then all it is drill there, yeah. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't take too long. It's just one of those jobs you said, yeah, it's gonna take about an hour. No minute the whole day. It's still light out. Imagine if I finish, it's like the next day already. Jacked up the car. Now I gotta use this bad boy. Yeah. Take the wheels off. And yeah. Alright, wheels are finally off. Also, I just repainted this one yesterday actually. So might as well repaint this one. Paint is coming off. That'll be an easy fix. This is a gloss finish with primer, which I use. Clear coat. So we'll be doing 2 things today. So let's get started on that. Here it is. So this is obviously second hand, but that's okay. It's just a bit dirty as well. So we're just gonna get some wet wipes. We're gonna start for our first coat. Yeah. I forgot to mention tape over your cap. I have 2 because one for JDM air and one for Australian air. First coat, take 2.
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm not.
Wait about like 15-30 minutes. As you can see, it's already filling up. Coat number 2. Alright, I'm gonna wait till that's done. Look at all these bolts and that. I've chucked this on. The top one, I just sent it with a zip tie. Drilled that over there. Just fine. I'm gonna do the front one. Yeah. Yeah. So 3 coats are done. Finish it off with some clear coat. And that's it. Do about 3 coats, but yeah. Now look over here. Drilled the hole already, but it's a bit loose here. But oh well. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I'll worry about that later on. Let's gonna now make new holes in here, and we should be done. We're finally done. Drilled 1, 2, 3, and just 4. Just 1 hole on that side that I've drilled, which is good. I've put a bolt on the back of that as well to tighten it. This is still a bit loose, but it's not as bad as before, because the middle part here, I have drilled that in there. This was broken, so I had to make a new hole. One should do. Everything's okay as I open and close the door. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna chuck the wheels back on. Wait for that to dry. And yeah. Alright. Chuck the front wheel back on. Gotta remove that. I still need to do 1 more coat of clear coat for the back wheel. So I'm just gonna wait for that to dry again so I can put that back on. Everything else is good to go. It's not perfect, but hey, life isn't perfect. Today we are going to finally lower my car. It's taken over 2 years, but I'm finally doing it. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. These are MCA Ultimate Streets. I hear they are pretty stiff. I didn't buy this brand new because brand new they're pretty expensive, but still pretty pricey for what the price I paid for. But shout out to Jack Phillips JDM for always looking after me. Check them out. They've always got some Skyline parts if you need them. He just opened a shop right next to his Skyline Records shop. He's doing Euro cars now too, which is amazing. Good morning, guys. I don't actually go for Western Bulldogs. I just thought I'd let you guys know. Such a good day today. I thought I can finally walk again. I was limping because I rolled my ankle again and again. We finally lowered my car. He looks so good right now. It's not a Camry anymore. I'm so happy on how far my car has gone. I've owned this car for over 2 years and slowly doing stuff on it. She's now finally lowered. I am gonna eventually paint the front bumper as well. I'm just so happy, like, I don't know, for my mental health as well. In this lockdown, like, just doing this car up, it's not just like something to do, something I've always wanted to do as well anyway. I don't know, it just makes me happy. It's gone so far. I'm so happy. You just have to follow what I do, okay? Ready? Now you grab this, you put it in your chin. Put it in your chin. Mom, put it in your chin. Put it in your chin. Put it in your chin. I got you.